Welcome back to Nerd Chic. I've had one more request for YouTube just to talk about how to automate posting your YouTube videos to your blog function of your website. So I want to show you another way to do it. I've already done a tutorial on how to do RSS feeds. I've done a tutorial on how to embed your live videos, and I've done another tutorial on how to embed your live super chat. Go back and watch those if you hadn't seen them. Be sure to subscribe to the channel too, because I got tons of stuff like that. And if you add other requests here, I'll do them as well. So let me keep going. First thing is I'm in here, and of course you can always share YouTube by clicking share and click embed, and then boom, share it that way. I don't know if you've also seen this wonderful feature here. I'll do a deeper post on, but you can share everything in a post, and since you've got subscribers like we do, you create a post and it alerts them that there's something new in your site, and you can embed it automatically. But as for putting in your website, this is the first way. Just embed right here. Remember, when you're using the iframe embed, you can also start it at a later time. So for some of you churches or whatever groups that have, some video beforehand that's like announcements or worship, you can skip that and click start here and embed it where it starts at the message exact or something like that. So it's really nice to do embeds that way. If you want to automate, which is the next thing we want to do, I want to show you a service called IFTTT. It's at ifttt.com. You set up an account and then you connect it with your different services. So if you've got YouTube, you put YouTube in here. I've connected it with YouTube. If you've got WordPress, you connect it with WordPress. I've done that. Got Tumblr, you can use Tumblr, and Blogger. All of these are blog functions, Twitter. And what I've done is I've set it up to automate. When I have a post go up on YouTube, it goes to all these different functions. So all you do to set up a function where it auto posts to Blogger, Tumblr, WordPress is you set up a different function for each one. So let's say that I want to do a YouTube function. I can search YouTube on here after I've got it turned on. And look, you can click in here and you can YouTube to Pinterest. So that takes your thumbnail and drops it in Pinterest. That's cool. YouTube to Blogger, YouTube to Twitter, YouTube to Dropbox where it saves it, a link or the actual video, YouTube to Google Drive, post new YouTube video uploads to Tumblr. So if you want to go deeper, just do WordPress. You can do both. And they'll pull up here, look, WordPress to Twitter, RSS to WordPress, YouTube videos to Twitter, YouTube to WordPress. So here you go. Click that thing and choose it, and then you turn it on. You connect it. And once you connect it, it gives you all kinds of settings that you can set up to do it. And so you can go in here and click settings up at the top, and you can put in what you want to go to each thing. So here it is. You can, boom, all this right here. You can create it like this, do all these things, change the embed code or whatever. You can put it up by URL. You can put a title in here. You can set categories or whatever, author tags, publish immediately, whatever. Once you save all this, it's going to do it. So next time you put a video up on YouTube, it's going to go in here and do it for WordPress. Guess what? It does this for all of these different things. So whether it's YouTube, WordPress, Blogger, whether it's WordPress, Tumblr, Blogger, whatever, you can set it up to automatically do everything you want it to do right off the bat. Isn't that amazing? So this really is a wonderful, wonderful resource, you guys. If you want to use it, just go in and try it out. It's ifttt.com. Connect your different services, set it up, and then everything can be automated. And if you're running a website that has a blogger feature, you have every single video after it's done a live premiere. It's going to put it and post it on your site in different posts, so you can treat it like pages or whatever. It just automates it, makes it easy. Hopefully this has helped out. If you love this, give us a thumbs up. If you've got a request for another tutorial, put it in the comments. We'll do that. This one came from a request. And then also, don't forget to subscribe to Nerd Chic. We have tons of resources like this, and they keep coming.